Good evening, investors. Penny.Stock.Whispers here. Hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving. We're back at it with another stock chart video analysis. It is VTMB, the Vitamin Blue Incorporated. Saw a great day on Tuesday, December 3rd. It was our last trading day. We previously closed up at 0008, but we closed on Tuesday at 001. That's an increase of 25% on a volume of 74,200,640 shares. VTMB looking fantastic. Had a phenomenal day volume-wise. We closed up nice and strong. All the indicators are looking fantastic. Lots of support and bullish signs I'm seeing on this chart here, so I want to go through them with you. Our 14-day RSI is at 50.18, just crossed over that 50. That's a very bullish move, closed up above it. Perfect zone we're in right now. That 70 and 50 is right where you want to be, and it just looks fantastic. I'm really excited to see what the RSI does over the next coming days here. Daily chart looking good as well. Like I said, we had some strong volume. This is a fantastic volume right here, really good. It's greatly above average. We finally broke out of this resistance that we saw down here at that 0008 area. We were holding that very strongly as resistance, but we closed above it nice and strong, and it's going to be acting as our support for now, and we also have another support area right there, right above it at that 0009. Fantastic. I just like the way that it's really set up there. We have some very nice things right there. I like that. The parabolic SAR is what I was hung up on here. I was trying to make sure it was actually below that candlestick. It is. There's a tiny yellow dot right underneath our candlestick. That's another bullish indicator as well. I like that our 200-day moving average actually isn't too far out of reach. Neither is the 50-day moving average. Climbing up to those isn't going to be very hard. We are resting right now on the 26-day EMA. It's looking very nice. It's acting as support as well. So keep your eyes on the daily charts here for sure. It's going to be a very fun ride, I think. Down here on the MACD, got a lot of pent-up energy here. We've been pinched really close with the signal line and the zero line, looking to break out majorly on that. Very optimistic about it. Like to see this start moving very soon. Both the short-term and long-term tricks I like a lot. The 15-day tricks just crossed over the signal line not too long ago. Would have been a nice indicator to buy some. Hopefully you were able to wait just a tad bit and you didn't catch that little dip there, but it's alright because it's crossed over and we're seeing this starting to come back up here. 30-day tricks is starting to show a nice strong buy indicator as we're coming close to that signal line, about ready to cross over it. Slow stochastics looking good at 47.22, climbing towards that 50, about ready to cross over, and it just looks very good. I like that a lot. The CCI, I got a 20-day one up right now at 63.77 and rising. Fantastic place to be in right now. Very bullish indeed. Very nice uptrend on all these indicators I'm seeing. It looks fantastic. Stochastic RSI is looking really good. We have our stochastic RSI itself is maxed out at 1 right now, but what's really want to look at is this 14-day moving average that I've drawn up here. This is just a way of averaging out that stochastic RSI and making it a little bit easier to read and call some signals on. We did cross over that 0.5 area, which is a strong buy indicator, and this is all very bullish as we're tipping back up towards that 0.8, looking for some nice gains on that. Tracking money flow, it has seen some rough times in the past, but I like that we did cross over that 0, and it's showing some strength here. I'd like to see it stay above that 0 into the future, as you know, that's just a good indication of a nicely trading market. ADX here is looking like it's ready for that reversal. The positive DI is coming up to touch that negative DI. Hopefully, I'd like to see these converge and then continue to diverge the opposite directions there as the negative DI gets a little bit further above that negative DI. Our ADX line itself is at 26.81. It is coming down. Not to worry though, we are still above that relevance point where this thing is really really useful to look at. So unless it starts to tank really hard, the ADX line I should say, if it starts to keep going down, then this chart may not be as relevant as before, but seeing this crossover with a relevant ADX line is also a nice thing to see. Lets me know that this downtrend is really starting to recover, which we can see up on the daily charts if you took a look there. So the PVO is at 31.376 and rising, crossover that signal line and the zero line in one fell swoop. Looking good. Money flow index nice and bullish above that 80, 84.74 to be exact. And furthermore, that strong volume today also tipped up our accumulation distribution as it is still climbing or spiking up as it is right here. That's always good. It's letting me know that investors are interested in this stock and are continuing to pick them up. VTMB is looking like it's going to be moving on pretty nice here. I'd like to see what's going to do over the next coming days and up until Christmas. So hopefully you guys are looking good and had a great time over the weekend. I know we did. So thank you guys for watching, and leave your questions or comments in the description below. Subscribe to Penny.Stock.Whispers, Penny.Stock.Whispers.com to get some more information on VTMB, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Download our Android phone app. It's fantastic. It's getting a lot of reviews and a lot of stars here. So definitely recommend that if you're on the go. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Sorry to hold you so long. Everybody, have a great day.